ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะยินดีต้อนรับสู่ Women Day Workshop กับ Beyond Code Academy นะคะเฟิร์นค่ะเป็นคุณครูสอนเขียนโคดดิ้งที่ Beyond Code ค่ะและตอนนี้เฟิร์นอยู่กับน้องแพมนะคะเดี๋ยวให้น้องแพมแนะนำตัวสักนิดหนึ่งค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะหนูชื่อแพมนะคะวันนี้จะมาสอนเรื่อง Roblox Studio ค่ะการทำตัวละคร
ค่ะ
Wonder Woman in Roblox
โอเคแป๊บหนึ่งนะก่อนที่เราจะไปเริ่มเวิร์กช็อปนะคะเดี๋ยวครูขอทำความรู้จักกับน้องแพมให้มากขึ้นกว่านี้ละกันเนาะน้องแพมคะน้องแพมเรียนคอร์สอะไรมาแล้วบ้างคะที่ Beyond Code
เคยเรียน Roblox มี Unity Wix ค่ะ
Wix แล้วน้องแพมชอบคอร์สไหนมากที่สุดเลยคะ
ชอบ Roblox มากที่สุดค่ะได้ทำเกม
ชอบสร้างเกมเนาะโอเคแล้ววันนี้น้องแพมจะมาสอนพวกเราทำอะไรบ้างคะ
เดี๋ยวมีสอนเปลี่ยนตัวละครใน Roblox Studio และมีเป็น Super Power ค่ะให้ตัวละครเราวิ่งเร็วกระโดดสูง
ฟังดูน่าสนใจถ้างั้นเดี๋ยวเราเริ่มกันเลยละกันเนาะโอเคค่ะ
Wonder Woman in Roblox Studio International Women's Day March 8 is a special day to celebrate women all around the world. It's a day to remember that girls and boys are treated equally important. Women can be leaders, scientists, artists, athletes, and anything they dream of. About me. My name is Pam, and I like to create games on Roblox. Some of my projects are Pets vs. Zombies, Boat and Play, and Haunted Carnival. You can join them in Roblox. I have learned Python, Roblox Studio, Unity, and Wix IQ at Beyond Code. A little bit about Roblox and Roblox Studio. Roblox is used to play games and is an application where you guys can join games that are made from Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is a software used to create games for Roblox. I'm gonna teach you the basics of Roblox Studio, like how to zoom in, zoom out, and how to move your camera. So you guys can join Roblox Studio and join Classic Baseplate. You will spawn in a world like this with nothing except a base plate. You can right click the mouse and drag to move your camera and press WASD to move left, forward, back, and right. You can also zoom in, zoom out using your scroll wheel. First of all, we're going to make a starter character. We're going to use Blackpink for the starter character. To do this, we can click on Toolbox on here. The toolbox will pop up on the left-hand side of the screen. Make sure that you're in the Models section. We can search in the search bar Blackpink to find our character. And you can find the character you want. I'm gonna take the first one on the screen. You can drag it out. You can choose your favorite character. They're all in the model here. I'm going to pick Lisa, so you can drag the character you want out into the workspace section. And you can delete the rest. Once you have your character, you can open your character and delete the animation script. And you can see here that Lisa is in the Lisa morph. So you can drag Lisa out into workspace and delete the Lisa morph. Once you have that, you can rename Lisa to starter character. Make sure that you have S and C capital letters, otherwise it won't work. Next, you can drag the starter character into starter player. It will disappear from the base plate. So once you press play, sorry, I spelled it wrong. Make sure you spell it correctly. Once you press play, you will spawn as that character. You can run and jump using your keyboard. Next, we're going to make superpowers for our character. We're going to make a speed kit and a jump kit. The speed kit will make a player run fast, and the jump kit will make a player jump very high. So to do this, we can add a part into the game by pressing the part on the top. There will be a rectangular part where we can click on it and press scale. The scale tool is used to change the size of the part. We can make a small platform and we can change the color of it to any color you want. I'm going to choose pink. We can also rename the part to our speed kit by pressing on the part. After we have our speed kit, we can press the add symbol and add a script inside. This is where we can program our code. Our code is like instructions for the part to work, so it knows what to do. So we can start off by saying local speed kit equals local speed kit equals parent dot script dot parent. It basically just gets the speed kit from the script, which is in the speed kit. So the script's parent is speed kit. So we're collecting the speed kit's information. After that, we can write local can word, which is how we can see if the speed kit will work or not. It will equal true, so it will work once the player touches it. If can work is false, it won't give the superpower to our character. Local function give me speed. Who? So we're running a function called give me speed, and it will collect whoever touches it with who. The function will give us our superpower. So we have to find the person who touches it. Local humanoid equals who.parent. Colon find first child. So this code basically is trying to find who touches the part, and checks if there is humanoid in the part. Humanoid is basically telling us that that character is human. Like for example, if we go into our starter player and in our starter character, we can find that humanoid is in our Lisa character. It checks if like a car or a tree touches it, it won't give them a superpower. It will only give the person who has humanoids a superpower. So we have to check if our character has humanoid or not. After that, if humanoid and can work, then this basically checks if our characters have humanoid or not and if our speed kit can work. If both are true, then our humanoid walk speed will change. The usual walk speed for Roblox is 16, so we can change it to 100. To see if our function works, we have to call our function. So we can skip some lines and at the end we can write speedkit dot touched connect, and it will connect a function called give me speed. So it checks if the speed kit is touched, it will run a function. The function we just wrote just now. It will run give me speed, which is this function. We can check if it works. We can play here. So our character is running the normal speed right now, which is 16, and when it touches the speed kit, it will run fast. We can write can work equals false. So when the humanoid touches the speed kit, the can work will equals false and it won't work anymore. Then we can write wait 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, our speed will go back to normal. Which is 16. We can run it to see if it works. So there is an error in my code. That's why it doesn't work. We can decorate our terrain by clicking on the base plate and we can change the color of it. And we can change our material too to make it look like grass if you want. I'm going to choose leafy grass so it looks like grass. And
เดี๋ยวเราไปเช็คโค้ดนิดนึง โอเค ใช่ walk speed ต้องเป็น S ใหญ่ใช่ไหมคะหนูน่าจะตกหล่นตรงนี้นะ
walk speed should be capital S. And it should work now. This is the normal speed, and when we touch the part, it will give us speed for 10 seconds. Now we're back to our normal speed. So our speed kit works. Now we can make our jump kit by duplicating this part. So we can press Command D to duplicate it and drag it. We can also change the color so and we can rename it to jump kit. To make the jump kit work, we only have to change a few code. We can change our walk speed to jump power so it can make us jump high. The usual jump power is 50, so we're going to change 60 into 50, and we can change the 100 to 200. Let's see if it works. So this is the normal jump power, and when we step on this part, we can jump higher. So along with the speed kit, we can both jump and run faster. We can also add a concert stage for our character. We can search concert in the toolbox and we can drag it out any stage we want. I'm going to pick this stage and put it in the middle. We can also decorate our terrain by adding trees or anything we like by searching in the toolbox. I'm going to add some trees. We can duplicate the tree by pressing Command D. And we can place it all around our base plate. It will make our base plate look better with the trees and the concept stage. So if we play our character here, we can step on the jump kit and speed kit, so our character can go to the concert. Now we can make a light stick for our character to hold. So to do that, we can add a cylinder part and make it pink, and then rename the tool and add particle effects for our character to hold. To make the light stick, we can press on the part and select cylinder. Since the light stick is a cylinder shape, we can make it longer and make it smaller so our character can hold it. use the scale button to scale it and change the size. After that, we can press on the brick color and change it to the color we want. I'm going to choose pink. And the material, we can use neon, so it looks like the light stick. We can rename the part to anything we want. I'm going to change it to light stick. We can also add particles to it. We can add the particle emitter by pressing the add symbol on the light stick and adding the particle emitter. It will show sparkles coming out of the light stick. We can also edit the particles, like the size. We can change the size to whatever we want. I changed it to 10. We can also change the color of the light. So once we finish our light stick, we can press the add symbol on the workspace and add a tool in it. Then we can drag our light stick into the workspace. Into the tool. If you try playing it and our character runs into it, the light stick will we can make the light stick smaller so that our character can hold it. We can rename the light stick to handle, because if we want our character to hold it, we have to name our tool to handle. And our character can hold it now. We can also make another tool. I'm going to make a sword for our character. So I'm going to make a block. And make a sword shape so our character can hold it. We have two parts of a sword and we can group it together by pressing Shift and Command G. It will create a model. We can union the two parts together using the model and union. We can change the color of a sword and rename the model to handle. And like our light stick, we can add to the workspace a tool and drag our handle inside the tool. We can rename the tool to sword. Now our player can pick up the sword and the light stick. A player can now jump using the jump kit and run fast using the speed kit. And those will last for 10 seconds. The player also has our light stick and a sword. Using this, you can make anything for our character to hold. We can decorate our terrain a bit more by adding anything we want. So I'm going to add a pond for our terrain. Or if you want our terrain to look more realistic, we can use the terrain editor. We can press the sculpt button to sculpt on the terrain, or we can generate our own terrain. So we can press generate and we can select the whole base plate. After that, we can press generate. It will generate a plane for us. We can take what we want for the terrain, like mountains, hills. I'm going to keep it like this, and I'm going to move the concert stage and the trees so it goes above the terrain. We can select multiple at once by pressing shift and then selecting the trees so we can move it at the same time. Also click on the tool, sword, and the speed kit and jump kit so we can see it.
เราเพิ่มเมมเบอร์แบ็คพิงไว้บนสเตจดีไหมคะดีไหม
ได้ We can add the Blackpink members onto the stage. Once again, search Blackpink into the toolbox. And then we can drag the Blackpink characters onto the stage and rotate them and move them how you want. I'm going to delete the text of this. So we have our Blackpink members on the stage. If we press play, we can pick up a sword, light stick, and we can attend the concert without speed, but speed kit and jump boost.
เดี๋ยวเราเพิ่มที่นั่งข้างล่างเวทีหน่อยดีไหมคะ ตกแต่งเพิ่มดูไหม
We can add seats to the concert. We can search for seats in the toolbox. I'm going to add these airport seats. We can rotate it so it goes straight with the concert stage. And we can duplicate them by pressing Command D. I'm going to move the seats down a bit since they're floating in the air right now. And we can press play. And we can sit in the seats now. So we can go grab our light stick. And attend the concert.
โอเค มีอะไรอยากเพิ่มอีกไหมคะ
I would like to show you some of my projects I've made before in Roblox.
อ๋อ ดีเลย ดีเลย
I have a trailer of a project I've made called Pet vs. Zombies.
โอ้โหเก่งมากแล้วถ้าเกิดคุณอยากเล่นเกมนี้ต้องทำยังไงบ้างคะ
You can play this game by searching in Roblox, Pets vs Zombies, and you can join in Roblox.
อ๋อโอเคทีนี้เมื่อกี้นี้น้องแพมบอกว่าน้องแพมมีประสบการณ์การทำหุ่นยนต์ Rex มาก่อนถูกไหมคะช่วยเล่าประสบการณ์ได้ไหมว่าหนูเคยทำอะไรมาแล้วบ้างเกี่ยวกับ Rex
I'm in the competition this year in rapid relay. My team, we made our robot for the competition.
โอเคถ้างั้นวันนี้ก็จบลงแล้วนะคะกับเวิร์กช็อป Women Day กับ Beyond Code Academy ถ้างั้นพวกเรา2คนขอตัวลาไปก่อนนะคะเดี๋ยวไว้เจอกันใหม่เวิร์กช็อปหน้าค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
บ๊ายบาย
Thank